Alam niyo ba na 2/3 o higit kalahati ng tropical rainforest sa mundo ang nasira o lumalala ng kondisyon dahil sa human activities?
Biochemical cycles, also known as biogeochemical cycles, are essential processes that move essential elements and compounds through the living and non-living components of Earth. These cycles are crucial for maintaining the balance and sustainability of life on our planet. There are several key biochemical cycles, including the carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, water cycle, phosphorus cycle, and sulfur cycle. The importance of biochemical cycles includes its capacity to sustain life to help ensure the availability of essential elements and compounds necessary for the growth, reproduction, and metabolism of living organisms. These cycles also enable the efficient recycling of nutrients within ecosystems. Some cycles, like the carbon cycle and the water cycle, play a significant role in regulating the Earth's climate. They help maintain the balance of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere that influences global temperatures and weather patterns. Biochemical cycles contribute to the balance and stability of ecosystems. Disruptions to this cycle, such as pollution or deforestation, can have detrimental effects on biodiversity and ecosystem health. Biochemical cycles also interact with geological processes, shaping the Earth's surface and contributing to the formation of rocks and minerals over geological timescales. Biochemical cycles are essential for sustaining life on Earth, maintaining ecological balance, regulating climate, and supporting the health of our planet's ecosystems. Understanding and preserving these cycles are crucial for the well-being of both humanity and the environment.
So what is land? Land, alternatively referred to as dry land, ground, or earth, constitutes the solid, non-submerged terrestrial expanse of our planet. Comprising 29.2% of the Earth's surface, it encompasses continents and islands alike. Land plays significant roles in the Earth's climate system as it actively participates in crucial processes such as the carbon cycle, nitrogen cycle, and the water cycle. How is land significantly connected to the sedimentary and phosphorus cycles? The sedimentary cycle involves the weathering of rocks on land. Over time, physical and chemical weathering processes break down rocks into sediments. These sediments, such as sand, silt, and clay, are then transported by water, wind, or ice, and eventually deposited in various locations. Phosphorus is an essential nutrient for life, and the phosphorus cycle involves the movement of phosphorus through different reservoirs on Earth. On land, phosphorus is present in rocks and minerals. Weathering processes, which primarily occur on land, break down these rocks and release phosphorus into the soil. Plants take up phosphorus from the soil and incorporate it into their tissues. When animals consume plants or other animals, phosphorus moves through the food chain. Ultimately, phosphorus is returned to the soil through decomposition and waste products, completing the cycle.
Human life has undeniably transformed the Earth's ecosystem and natural processes. As a species, we have exhibited invasive tendencies, altering the delicate balance of biogeochemical cycles that govern the planet. We are inherently invasive due to the scale and intensity of our activities. Throughout history, humans have expanded their presence across the globe, often at the expense of natural habitats. Deforestation, urbanization, and agricultural practices have not only led to the loss of biodiversity, but have also disrupted ecosystem functions. These have unintentionally introduced non-native species to new environments that outcompete native flora and fauna, leading to imbalances in ecological communities and ecosystem functions. Phosphorus is an essential nutrient for farming and is often supplied through fertilizers. However, excessive fertilizer use have led to the significant phosphorus runoffs into water bodies. This runoff contributes to eutrophication, where excess amounts of nutrients causes algae bloom, depleting oxygen levels and harming aquatic life. The environment can have a significant impact on epigenetics. This includes things like your diet, lifestyle, stress levels, even the air you breathe, and influence how your genes are expressed. Displaced animals from losing their natural habitats can induce stress and adaptation challenges and result in epigenetic changes. These changes may influence the expression of genes in the stress response, behavior, Creatures in these dead zones face stress due to reduced oxygen availability, and this stress can trigger epigenetic changes as a response to the altered environment. The Baltic Sea is an example of an environment that has experienced this phenomenon. Due to excessive runoffs, the Baltic Sea experiences algae blooms, creating dead zones with low oxygen levels. Fish species, like cod and herring, have been observed to have reduced growth rates, impaired reproduction, and altered feeding behaviors in those areas. These changes have modified their genes related to metabolism, stress responses, and reproduction.
So, what can we do as humans to help mitigate negative effects? Well, there are several things we can do against multiple species of this plant. First, we can support a care in reforestation and pure plastic project to restore the balance of the sedimentary cycle. Trees play a vital role in absorbing carbon dioxide and mitigating the effects of deforestation. Secondly, improve eco-friendly cycle in our daily life, reduce, reuse, and recycle waste, and offer sustainable projects to minimize our ecological footprint. You can support business that prioritize environmental conservation to minimize the negative impact on the environment. By doing so, we can reduce the pollution and natural resources. Lastly, we can raise awareness by educating others, regardless of our class, family, or community, about the importance of preserving our forests and the impact of urbanization and the chemical cycles. As a result, we can create a ripple effect of positive change on the earth.